Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Form Submit. Forms are fundamental for collecting information from users, whether it's for a contact page, a survey, or an order. When a user submits a form, all the data they've entered is packaged and sent to a specified destination. This process is initiated by the HTML form element, which acts as a container for all your input fields and controls. Understanding the action and method attributes is crucial for effective form submission. The action attribute tells the browser exactly where to send the form data, typically a server-side script or API endpoint. Meanwhile, the method attribute dictates how that data is sent. You'll most often use GET for simple data retrieval, like search queries, and POST for sending more sensitive or larger amounts of data, such as user registrations. Forms rely on various input fields to gather diverse information, from text and numbers to dates and checkboxes. Crucially, every input field must have a name attribute. This name acts as a key, allowing the server to identify and process the specific piece of data. Finally, the submission process is typically initiated by a button with type equals submit, which packages all the named input data and sends it according to the form's action and method. Implementing both client-side and server-side validation is a best practice for robust form submission. Client-side validation, using attributes like required or pattern, provides immediate feedback to the user, enhancing their experience. However, it's easily bypassed, so robust server-side validation is absolutely essential. This ensures data integrity and protects against malicious input, making your application secure and reliable, handling all possible scenarios effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.